you. Back against the wall, it's you gotta talk to. Just look how far it brought you. We went from breaking laws to taking losses. Thought I had a shot, but it was just an offshoot. With extra gas to take me off route. I'm like, you kidding me? I'm trying to make a little money, flee the coast, get fat and old in Italy. Is that too much to ask? But I guess asking what's the issue. Can't be shaky with what you commit to. Hard to paint the bigger picture when they artificial. All throughout humanity, you know the cards against you, but we still play. Getting wild until this day. Downs of fury, that's word of Deontay. It's been a calm day, but the trauma got me thinking about the storm tomorrow. They don't know what comes in, they just see what comes out. They don't know what gets lost, they just see what they found. You got it all? How much it cost you? You bound to fall, the demons caught you. Hey, yeah, hey. You bound to fall, them demons caught you. Hey.
Terima kasih. Berarti lu gak boleh beli sepeda selain Bareng ya? Thank you, Coach. Okay,
picking up a bag and always giving thanks to everything that got me here and made me who I am today. All the bad deals, all the brand deals, all the cab rides home when I didn't have the cash, but I had will and found a way to make it work. Picking out the diamonds in the landfill.